Okay, this is how you cook a hot dog. You don't have any other way to cook it on a stove, or it's pouring rain out, so you can't cook it on fire. All we got is wheat bread. I've done this before. I think it works, so I'm trying it again. A little bit of survival mode here. I'm gonna plug these two forks into the end of the hot dog. Bread, I don't even have rolls, and we'll see what happens. Back in a second, hopefully. Okay, here we go. Step number 2. 2 forks in the ends of the hot dog. Getting ready to plug it in. See what happens. Hopefully I don't short nothing out. Okay, there we go. It's plugged in. Hopefully it's a good extension cord. Seeing results here. Should start doing something. Hopefully hot dog won't explode in my face. Hot dog shrapnel everywhere. I do remember doing this once before a long time ago. I believe it works. And I don't have any power running on a generator. It doesn't seem to put any big load on a generator, so this works. It's a pretty efficient way to cook, I guess.
It's smoking, Natalie. It's fucking working.
Is it smoking? Good.
It's smoking right there at the end of the hot dog. It's fucking working.
It's supposed to. The hot dog should get bigger.
It is getting bigger at that end.
I just don't want it to, like, you know,
It's smoking. You can't see the smoke?
explode from getting too hot.
Do you see the smoke coming off the hot dog? You can't see that?
Yes, dude.
It's coming out the middle of the hot dog now. He's cooking a fucking...
Listen, you can hear Susan. Okay, I think it's done.
It is done. It's blown. It's huge. It's gonna blow up. Unplug it.
I'm trying to. The cord's too small.
Flip it out. The hot dog's gonna blow up. It's cooked. Done.
Tight ass fucking plug there. Oh yeah, so we have. I can touch it's unplugged. Don't touch the forks when it's plugged in. It's actually
cooked a hot dog,
perfectly
Nancy.
cooked hot dog. Here we got to cook the second one. So I don't know, can't really see what I'm doing here, but
Here, I'll hold it.
here, film the damn thing.
I gotta hold this for him.
This is a great moment of success here in our survival. It's pretty fucking hot.
Yeah, I'll call you back. Okay. Okay, love ya. This is crazy.
Okay, I won't plug in as hard this time. Here we go.
Love you too, hon. Bye. I can't see you. Oh.
Gets a little charcoal around the fork, but that's okay. I think.
There it goes. It's smoking.
Doesn't take long. It's like I'm cooking in about a minute. Seems to be the best way to cook hot dogs, actually.
The fastest. Holy. It's sizzling. I think it's done.
I can see it in the middle.
Oh. It's done. It's bubbling.
Can go a little longer in the middle. It's almost.
No, it was bubbling.
Tricky not to short the forks out, and that's the only thing I gotta worry about. Beans are open. Need some ketchup on things, right?
Are you going to still record this?
No, you turn it off.
How do I do it?
Just hit the button.